Welcome to Burp Suite capture rules. Today we're going to look at the match and replace rule. If we go to we've got Burp Suite and we have Juice Shop in the background, we can go to proxy there, and usually you're in the intercept here. We're going to put the intercept on, and we'll go to match and replace. And these are some rules here that we can implement, or that we can put in, and see if we can change the rules a bit, or not change the rules, but when a particular packet comes in, what do we do with it? We can automate this process. So let's add one. We'll go to add here, and we've got the request header. We're going to match it with, now this is regedit. It's a full topic. Won't go into it today. But we're matching everything. That's the symbol for absolutely everything. And we're going to replace it with a session ID called this here. J session ID attacker fixed cookie. And the scope is actually, I forgot to put here, we're going to match cookie because we want to replace anything that has a cookie there. We want to replace it with this bit of string here, which I've got to, I just realized I put that in the comment section. That, or we can leave the comment, that's fine, but it should be that right there. And you can test it, and that's what it's going to look like. But if we do regmax, refresh or test it again, no, it looks like the same kind of thing. But that's what the match and replace rule looks like. So have a look at that, play around with that, and see if you can do a bit of experiment. But that's the area you can look at for match and replace rule. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you soon.